right, let's look at the tricks for squaring numbers ending in 5. Okay, so a shorter way or a shortcut. You multiply the first digits by the next higher digit and then write 25 at the end. Okay, so in 15, the first digit is 1. So let's take this example now, right? In 15, the first digit is 1. So I'm going to multiply 1 by the higher digit. So after 1, what is the next digit? 2, right? So I'll do 1 times 2, all right? And that is 2. That's the first step, all right? The next step, write 25 at the end. All right, so the answer will be 225. Okay, I'm gonna take off this 25 so it doesn't look like 1 times 2 is 225. All right, so take the first digit, multiply it by the next higher digit, which is 2. After 1, the next one is 2, right? So 1 times 2 is 2. Then I put that 2 and put 25 at the end of it, and I have 225. That is the square of 15. Let's take 25 squared. So the first digit is 2, right? Okay, so what's the next digit after 2? 3, right? So we'll multiply 2 by the next digit after it, which is 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. So I'll put the 6, then I'll move to the next step, then write 25 at the end. So that becomes 625. And that is 25 squared. For 35, the first digit, multiply the first digit by the next higher number. So the first digit is 3. The next higher number after 3 is 4, right? So 3 times 4 is 12. So I write my 12, and the next thing is that I should write 25 at the end. So I'll write 25. So 35 squared is 1225. So I'm asking, what is 75 squared? Let's have the answer in the comments. Thank you. Bye.